Grid layouts in Survey123 are a really useful way of designing your surveys for use in the web and mobile apps, particularly if you're transitioning from a paper form or if you just want to allocate more space to certain questions or certain groups within your form. Luckily, this is something you can create in Survey123 Connect in a snap. The first step is to go to the Settings tab of the XLS form and set the style column to a grid. There are some different grid options available which have slightly different behavior, but they are all set up in generally the same way. From there, go back to the Survey tab and create a group for questions. For a grid layout to work, questions need to be contained within groups. Now let's see what it looks like. By default, the grid layout gives you 4 columns, and each question takes up 1 column, but you can customize this using the W property in the Appearance field for the group and questions. Here, I'm assigning a value of W5 to the group so that it has 5 columns, and I have given the name question a value of W2 so that it takes up 2 columns within the group. You can also combine the W property with other appearance styles. The precipitation question is currently set as minimal, and I can add the W property in front. Now we have a minimal style dropdown that spans 3 columns. You can also nest groups within groups to add even more flexibility. When nesting group, the parent group has a width as before, in this case 2 columns, and then the subgroups have 2 values, the number of columns in that group, in this case 2, and the span of the group within its parent group. In this case, group 2 takes up 1 column of group 1. There's a lot of flexibility to play around with it and figure out what makes the most sense for your surveys.